Yes, see this question related to analogy concept. They are given that is CDY in question. This is the relation between this. This is analogy concept. In analogy concept, the general scenario is like this: X and Y. Here it is like P and Q. So how X and Y are related? You have to find the relation between that. The same thing we need to apply for P and Q. Analogy concept, it can be a word, it can be a number, it can be a letter. The relation should be same here and there. That's what the final outcome is. The same relation between the pairs are required. So first pair, what's the relationship we should understand and apply for the second pair. So here this is plus 1 as B is 2, C is 3. We can claim it's a plus 1. A is 1, D is 3 plus 3. Last one is plus 5. So plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. Right. Now same thing you need to apply for the big plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. B plus 1 means B next letter C. I plus 3 is nothing but L. G plus 5 is nothing but L. So we need CLL, that's first option. This is related to letter analogy. Analogy concept, we can say it's divided into three things. One related to letter, one related to word, and one we can say related to numbers. Three different areas, one related to number. X and Y can be a number, it can be a letter group, it can be a word. But for whatever it might be, number, letter or word, okay, we have to find the relation in the first page. We identify the same and apply in the second page. Simple is that. Right. Clear with this question? One more question related to analogy concept. This is in terms of letter. Analogy in terms of letters. So GECA is somehow with sudden logic they given as GHFD. Now QSUW in the same way mapped as what? QECA is given as JHFD. QSUW is given as what? So option, that's what I'm telling you. This section will take less time and you need to solve this type of questions hardly in 30 or 40 seconds. As I shown you the options, no, you go with the things which is, see, let's say I'll focus on third letter or second letter. Why second letter or third letter, sir? Because second letter is different in every option, third letter is different in every option, or last letter also it's different in every option. So I'll focus on only one. So initial the logic is what? Plus 3 logic. So A is 1, D is 4, G is 7, J is 10. Plus 3 logic. You apply for the last letter. Plus 3 means we'll get it like Z 26. So ending with Z, only one option available. So you be smart enough. Don't try to, sir, I am sincere student. I'll write every letter, I'll decode. No one is considering about it, whether you mark the right option or not. Simple. Okay, later you note down on paper, come out and you show the sincerity letter you work in home. Okay, whether it is entire correct or not. But here, plus 3, fine, you are done with the question. Analogy question, right. So analogy related, one more question here. This is now with numbers. 123 is somehow linked with 36. 221 is linked with what? 123 somehow linked with 36. 221 is linked with what? So what's the relation between this? Yes? Option 4. Yeah. So there are a lot of logics actually. Here the logic is sum of the digits is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3? 6. This is 6 square. 2 plus 2 plus 1? 5, this is nothing but equal to 5 square, 25. Numbers are, as I mentioned, no, they'll go with letters, okay, analogy as like this, or they can go with word analogy as well. As just now mentioned, they can mention like pen is right, okay, knife dash. They'll give certain options. We, as you people already given the answer. What is the answer for this? Cut. So pen somehow related, okay, way is to write, knife purpose is to cut. So that can be justified. Analogy related, okay, this is the outline. Word analogy just now as mentioned, so peacock India, beer is for which country? So what's this relationship? National bird. Okay, so for related to beer, so for which country? We need bit general knowledge also here. So for which country beer is the national animal? Yes, Russia, Australia, America, England, no. America, no. Australia, no. So it's related to Russia. Right, so analogy. This is analogy related question. Analogy related question. First pair, some logic is there. You understand that and apply for the second pair. First pair, you should understand the logic and apply the same for the second pair. You observe what are the logic it might be, apply the same for the second pair. Right. So here you see one thing like, okay, it is at this corner, this arrow mark. Next step it came to this one. So right, so it changed. So that is it clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, that is? From here to here, anti-clockwise direction. Right, one corner to other corner, anti-clockwise direction. Now arrow mark is here in this one. In this way, we should go anti-clockwise, means the arrow should come here. Yes or no? This place. Arrow should be in this place. This line or this counterclockwise we need to go, or anti-clockwise it should come here. Right. So it may be this direction or that direction, no problems, but it should be in this place. With that, 1 and 2 are eliminated. Next thing, regarding the shading point of view, the one which is connected to the line is unshaded here. The shape which is connected to the line is unshaded here. The shape which is connected to the line is smaller one, so that should be unshaded. In fact, see the property here, big line, big triangle, then small triangle. Here line, small, big, that should not change. Here this third option, they are changing that one itself. Line is connected to small triangle. Here line is connected to big triangle. That's wrong. Directly we can eliminate third option. Okay, I hope you got the point. Why this line should be in this corner. The entire scenario you can take in this way. Okay, you are at this place. You are moving to this place is nothing but called anti-clockwise. So when you are in this way, the same logic if you want to apply. Analogy means that is what? First pair, what are the logic you apply? You have to understand and apply for the second pair. So this corner, it should move to this place. If this is the case, you are at initially, then you need to move to this place in the next step. As per the first pair logic. That's what analogy here. Analogy related to letters. Focus and let me know. Letter related analogy. Option C. The logic is when they change the capital letter, small letter like that. No, what actually they did? They retain the same thing as it is in reverse. Whatever it is in the left side, they write in back to front. Simple. So Don't change the property of capital letter to small letter. Few questions they'll do that. Cap letter as small letter as capital letter also. That changes also may happen. But in this question, it's very simple. We have to write it from back to front. So capital F, capital X. So that's there in option C. That's the only thing if you observe, that's simple. Right. So this type of questions hardly will take 20 seconds like that. Okay, this is the section which you need to crack and save the time. Analogy, add one out, all this we need to save time. Series also. But series, no, some questions, when you don't get the logic, you may stuck. But these type of questions, you people will get the things properly. Start practicing this area. Right. Analogy related question with respect to words. Letters, numbers, words. Newspaper, press. Okay, for cloth, textile. Some people are saying mill. Is it mill? No. Cloth is from textile. If it is cotton, then we have to think about mills and all or other. But this is regarding cloth, textile only. Find the next figure in this. So first one like this. So this is second one what? I'll give the options. One is square, rhombus is correct. See, this pair 1, this is 2, they combine 2 and 1, you got this. They taken 2 from this, 1 from this, they, two halves join circle. Here two halves, this is 1, this is 2, this half, this half. So first take second part, next take first part. Options I didn't show fully, so now we can see the full options. So this is the correct answer. Image based questions.